everybody, Jody Marketplace Boutique. Hi. So today I have a letter. I went to a local auction, and I got a bunch of ephemera, and I was late, but my dear ephemera friends let me get the next auction, so that was great. I really appreciated that. That was awesome. So I did get some ephemera. I got 2 boxes, and people were outbidding me, kind of looking at me because I know I like to buy things and sell, word gets around. So I just said, look, everybody, I'm like, look, boys, I'm here to buy the letters inside these boxes, and I'm going to spend whatever it takes to get there. And they're like, oh, you just want the letters? And I'm like, uh-huh. So I'm like, because I'm nosy and I need the letters, okay? I need to know what they are. So here I have one. I have not pre-read it. I have like a couple minutes before I'm running out the door again. So this is what it looks like. It's from a veterinary place. So we'll see how it goes. Let's see. All right. So I'm going to try to take it as slow as I can, because I think if I take it slow, I can try to get through the words. I have my glasses on, thank goodness for this one, because this is very small print. All right, here we go. Hopefully this goes okay. Okay, so this is from Elko Veterinary Hospital. This is Highland Park, came out of Detroit, September 30. This was written on September 29, 1938. Let's see, to a Mr. Albert Crane in Fenville, Michigan, and that is the state I went to. And it was wonderful. Okay, here we go. Dear Al, that resolution of yours, writing letters, is a good one. However, the chance you took on catching me at my home wasn't good. I'm sure not. I am now at the place designed on this letterhead, which is right here. I spent 9 weeks in Detroit with Dr. Taylor, and went home for about 10 days and came back for this week before Labor Day, and then Tuesday after Labor Day came over here. Okay. I surely have had some good experience this summer. I was alone for about 5 weeks altogether and really learned a lot. It was only a temporary arrangement, and this seems more permanent. Thanks very much for thinking of me, but I think I had better stick here because he has quite a practice and I have a good chance for more. Oh, that's nice. For more experience. A few of his better known clients, oh good grief, here we go. Let's do some name dropping. William S. Is it Nosden? Crewsden, Edgar A. Guest, maybe? Yeah, this writing is a little difficult when you're trying to get the names right, if you know what I mean. And a couple of Fisher Body Sons. He lets me do some operating too. Ew. I sure hate to miss this University of Michigan game on Saturday, but my long hours won't permit it. I've been working at 8 and finish at 9 or later, but I guess you know pretty much that what long hours are. Maybe it's as well that I have such long hours, because I probably wouldn't know what to do with myself. Yeah, I have to agree with that. That's why I like working too, and that's why I joined YouTube. Yes, I'm bored in my spare hours. Okay. Then too, I don't have much time to spend my money. It seems most of the authorities are picking Michigan to win. We'll show them a good thing or 3. Well, Al, I'll try to give you some news. You undoubtedly know most of it already, Bob Spencer, Carl Hodges are married now, and now Wes Orr. The house was too open with opportunity of 12 vacancies. This summer I saw Carl Siglin, working here in Detroit. Not sure what that word is. Blinds looks like maybe. As do Sherman. And then there's some more names that I really cannot read. Cope and Collins and Callie Johnson. Adjusting claims for an insurance company here in Detroit. We all went to the state fair one night and saw Dick Young there. There's a lot of names going on. Okay. This is probably like listening to me and my friends talk. Like we talk about everybody else, and it's probably really boring to other people. Beware, boring letter here. I saw Vince Sharps once and Eddie Miller a couple times. Eddie is in the Bay City now, and I'm going to have dinner at his home Saturday after the game. I saw Carl Mueller and double dated with him on Labor Day night. Ooh, that sounds like fun. Ozzy is trimming trees and working around St. John's on links, I guess. It looks like links. I'm not sure what that is. Could it be like railroad trains? I talked to Dutch Ree one night on the phone. The Bays surely will have a job on their hands filling up the house with the new pledges of the fall. So maybe they went to like a college together, maybe, I'm assuming. Maybe that's what it is. Maybe. It seems funny for September to roll around and not go back to school. Looks like Alden Eash, maybe. It looks like an EASH was down. And Saturday to see me and his working in Battle Creek with Dr. Blanchford. And Battle Creek is kind of like, if you know where Hastings is kind of south of Hastings, down that way. I have a car now. Oh boy! A 33 Ford Tudor. It's always gotten me there and back, though about uncertain at times. Well, Ale, I guess this is about all for tonight. Give my regards to J. Austin Worrywart. That's what it looks like. When you see him and anyone else you might see, let's hear from this Big Apple grower again. Thanks for your assistance, Ale. Darn nice of you. Yours in the bond. Done. Oh, that was nice. That was a cute little letter. So yeah, in 1938, like the telephone numbers, it was just 6203 Longfellow. That was kind of cool. So I wonder if that veterinary clinic is still around. That'd be interesting to see. And the cent stamp is a 3-cent George Washington. That's kind of cool. Okay, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this little letter. It was kind of like a letter between, it sounds like, two college buddies, and that was pretty cool for me. So if you like this little letter reading, I do have more in my playlist. If you'd like to listen to them, like and subscribe if you do like them. I love it if you leave a comment. I love to hear what everybody's doing. Let me know. Or if you have like a new video that you just put up, let me know and I'll be sure to watch it. I like to watch other people's videos too. And that's how this all started for me. So, all right, everybody, have a really awesome day.